In regular times, being a teacher and being in education is hard enough. But in this environment, what you are all doing is truly remarkable. You are doing the impossible, and we are so proud of you. You are making immeasurable differences in the lives of our children and our Castaic family, and it's so appreciated. Thank you.
I can't thank you all enough for everything you've done to help reimagine how we do education these days. All the other districts always talk about how we do things in Castaic, and I'm always so proud that we work collaboratively, and it's more evident now than ever. And so thank you for all that you do to keep Castaic consistent and always taking care of the kids. Thank you.
Hello, Castaic employees. Earlier at the start of the school year, we gave you all one of these shirts, and it has our vision statement, Advancing Hearts and Minds. Over the last 7 months, there are traits that you have shown to make sure that our students do get their hearts and minds advanced. Some of those traits that are woven in are kindness, love, dedication, effort, and teamwork. Your resilience, your commitment, and your passion to our students has made a difference. We sincerely thank you for all of your efforts.
Hi everyone, I just want to say thank you to my Live Oak staff and everyone at the district for pitching in this year, and just everyone's so willing to jump in and do whatever is asked of them to help make this learning environment successful for our students and our families. And I so appreciate the extra hours and the extra time everyone puts in. We are swimming in uncharted waters here, and I love that we are such a family and could come together to do what's best for our community. Thank you again.
Well, there's a statement that says when you get lemons, you throw them at people. I'm just kidding, you know the statement. When you get lemons, you make lemonade. And so when I was thinking about how valuable you are, one of the things that popped in my mind is this: when you get 2020, what do you do with that? And my encouragement to all the teachers, to all the classified, is to keep on doing what you've always been doing. Live Oak means a lot to me and my family. We've had our children been going here since 2006, and you have always done a great job pouring into our children, being kind to our children, teaching our children, and we are the beneficiaries of all your great work. And so my encouragement to you is keep on keeping on. Keep up the great work you've been doing. I know it's hard, Zoom, and all this different stuff, all these things that 2020 has brought you. But please know that we're right here and we want to help in any way, but we're so grateful. And so please just keep on doing what you've been doing. So if you get 2020, hopefully never again, but just keep on doing what you've been doing and caring and cultivating the lives of our students. Thank you.
I just wanted to send a special message to all of my amazing teachers and staff at Northlake Hills. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your willingness to learn and your dedication to our families and students. You are awe-inspiring, and we are so appreciative of everything that you do. Thank you.
Hello, Castaic family. I want to thank you. As a board member that's been on the board now for over 15 years, we have endured some pretty tough challenges, but nothing like 2020 and our COVID crisis. Thank you for giving our kids everything that you give them every day that you're working with them. We really appreciate it.
Teachers, classified, and support staff, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for working countless hours. Thank you for stretching yourselves to learn new things. Thank you for your flexibility, and thank you for working together to meet this moment. I am so appreciative of all you've done.
Hi, my name is Mr. Malcolm. I am one of the board members, trustees here at Castaic Union School District, and I wanted just to reach out and say thank you. A lot of times, you guys don't get that directly, but believe me, all of us appreciate all the hard work that you're doing. This year has been extremely difficult. We know the challenges that you have, and we appreciate and sincerely thank each and every member of Castaic Union School District. We know it's difficult. We ask you to keep up the hard work, and I want every one of you to realize we appreciate everything that you are going through and everything that you are doing for our children in this community. Thank you so much.
Hello Castaic family, this is Mr. Broneisen here to thank everyone for everything they've done to get the start of the school year going and working very well. I want to thank all my teachers for preparing their classes, working extra hard, getting lessons going, reaching out to all the students, and my classified staff being in the front line, addressing all the student needs, enrolling new kids, and everyone just pulling it together and making everything special for this unique year that we're in. Thank you.
Hello everyone, especially the CMS family. I am so honored to work with you on a daily basis, and I just love all of our teachers and staff here. I also would like to give a shout out to the amazing CVC teachers who are forging ahead as one school within 4 schools. You are always thinking first and always of your students, being trustworthy and playing awesome. To my CMS family and CVC family, love you guys. Thank you for everything that you are doing for all of us.
I want to thank our entire CUSD family for the way that you have persevered through and risen to meet the challenges that you have faced this year. This has been a really tough year, and I've been amazed at the way everyone has adapted and learned how to do their job in a new way, and all while meeting the needs of the children in our district. I know the families in our community appreciate all that you do to meet the needs of the children, and I personally want to thank you for all that you have done. Thank you so much.
Howdy, howdy, howdy! I am so grateful that I was asked to be a part of this shout out. A thank you shout out to all of our Castaic peeps. Hello! I'll take advantage of any moment to give you a happy trails holler. I truly miss all of you so much, tons and tons and tons as a matter of fact. I'm so very proud of all of you. Not only have you continued to give extraordinary effort and your continuous, non-stop commitment to our students and our families, but your non-stop commitment to each other. That's something I've noticed on Facebook, and I've heard your principals talk about how you have just taken care of each other, and that just makes me so proud. I brag about you all the time. So thanks for doing that. You guys are bomb awesome. I read this cruising through Facebook. That's how I keep track of some of you too. I read this and I thought I'd share it with you because you need a permission slip. You need a permission slip to tell you it's okay to feel how you feel. It's okay to be kind to yourself. We always talk about being kind to others, but please be kind to yourself. It's okay, guys, to turn off that yucky news once in a while. And please give yourself permission to let you have emotional moments. They happen. We're going through something we've never ever gone through before in our lives. Goodness. And it's okay, and give yourself permission to miss the everyday things that we kind of took for granted. And just wish for the days we get to be back there to do it again. And it's okay, and give yourself permission to take it one breath at a time. So I love you guys tons. I can't wait to see you in December. December, that's right. I'm joining a different team, still part of my Castaic family, but I'm looking forward to being one of those board members. So that'll help me be connected with y'all and be able to love on you as much as I loved on you when I was working there. So until we meet again, love ya. Happy trails. Mwah.